600D marine-grade polyester canvas. Blocks out the harsh, blinding sunlight. Defends against harmful UV rays. Don't worries about outdoor rain showers. Tear-resistant fabric, combined with aluminum alloy support poles and durable nylon base, can withstand the winds. When not in use, the Bimini top can be easily folded up. Quick to pack up and space-saving. Start by neatly arranging all the components to make installation more convenient. Measure the deck width of a boat. Assemble the left and right section of the frame, as shown in the below figure. Insert the 3 connected tubes through the tent. Drill holes on the boat to install the buckles and bases. Assemble the left and right side of the frames. Distinguish the front from rear according to front label. Then connect the side frames to top tubes. Providing you with a comfortable and cool boating experience.